Hi scholars, it's Miss Gonzalez. Today I'm going to read to you The Trip. I really like this book because Froggy is very funny and he is full of surprises, so we're going to see what he does. You're going to notice in this book that there are some words in darker print. Those are called bold words, and when we see a bold word, we say it with more emphasis in our voice, with more umph. So for example, if you really love pizza, you would write love in bold and you would say, I love pizza, like that. It gives more power to what you're saying. So I want you to pay attention to the bold words and listen to how I say them when I read them. Okay, this is called The Trip. I am going on a trip, said Duck. I love trips, said Froggy. Where are you going? I'm going to a big lake, said Duck. I love lakes, said Froggy. What will you do there? So notice on that page, there were two bold words. And when I read it, I said, love, like that. I love trips. I love lakes, like that. I will swim in the lake, said Duck, and I will hike around the lake. I love to swim and hike, said Froggy. Let me help you pack your bag. Here is my bathing suit, said Duck. I will need a bathing suit if I go for a swim. Take your boots and socks, said Froggy. You will need them for your hike. I may go to a dance, said Duck. Let's pack this dress. I'd love to dance, Froggy said. Here, take your red shoes too. You will have so much fun on this trip, said Froggy. I wish I could go with you. I wish you could too, said Duck. Let's get your big bag. Let me say that again because that's a bold word. Let's get your big bag, said Froggy. You have a lot to pack. Here is my hat, said Duck, and here is my umbrella. It's time to go. Froggy helped Duck get to the bus stop. You get on the bus, said Froggy. I will put your bag in the back. Duck got on the bus. The bus took Duck all the way to the lake. Duck liked the lake very much. And so did Froggy. Okay, so I told you Froggy was full of surprises, right? So he packed himself in Duck's big bag, and he took himself to the lake too, inside of her bag. And then he popped out. And Duck looks very surprised. Okay, but there were some clues throughout the story that Froggy was planning something or that he had an idea. So what I would like you to write about is, what page did you find a clue on? Explain the clue. What did you predict Froggy would do? Okay, so there were a couple clues. So I would like you to write what page you found the clue on and then explain the clue and explain what you thought Froggy might do. Predict means that you're going to guess what he's going to do in the future. So what do you think he's going to do? So you can start your first sentence like, I found a clue on page, I'm going to go ahead and write that for you. I Sorry about that. Found a clue on page, and you can just put the page number. And then you can say, the clue was, and you can continue explaining what the clue was, and then next you'll write what you think or what you predict Froggy was going to do. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for joining me for reading about Froggy and how he surprised Duck by going on the trip with her. See you next time.